So all of you are very welcome in my channel. Now today just I am going to demonstrate the IoT project, means how we can, in the previous one observe means how we can control the LED, but today just trying to demonstrate the real activity, that is means what controlling the real bulb. Okay, so in the previous one that was related to the DC, but now it is related to the AC. So before this, just first see here, observe all of you. So means you can observe this is the actually node MCU. So this is the node MCU, and we have this one. This is the relay. I involve the relay here. Okay, and we have the bulb. So means this node MCU is totally separated from the laptop. Means there is no connection from the laptop. Means as from the previous one, you know, it has a separate power from the power board. Okay, now I'm going to control this bulb, on and off. So just a minute. So let me. So see here once again. First, let me open the code. So actually this is the code. So already I demonstrated this in the previous one when I was controlling the simple LED, but here just instead of the LED, just I replaced that LED into the AC bulb. Okay, so in this demo means I involved the same means a relay concept. So without relay concept it is not possible. So same concept what MSG publishing that information on the IoT class, and it has also some another topic, that is IoT class scene. Okay, so this node MCU is also a subscriber and also the publisher, but most of the time it is the publisher publishing some message. Okay, and that message means I can get on different terminals, MQTT broker, etc. So clients. So our agenda is how to control that bulb, means on and off. Okay, so as you know from the previous one, means if the first character is 0, LED should be off, and if it is 1, that should be off, that should be on. Okay, so this is the logic, but see here once again. So first let me open the, and from this what you can observe, means this message I am getting hello world 277, hello world 278, etc. Means that node MCU is publishing every 1 second some information, hello world with some number. Okay, so that is fine, but we have also, so this terminal is the not publisher, this is the subscriber, and node MCU is the publisher. And again I have the another terminal, so this one. So this is the publisher, means it is trying to publish some information, and in that case that node MCU, which is generally most of the time publisher, now that will be treated as the subscriber. Okay, means it can also receive some information. So here for example, means I am supplying some message, for example hello from a command. Okay, so that node MCU received this message hello from command. Okay, but I am not able to visualize such information because that node MCU is not connected to my laptop. If it is connected to laptop, then I can show you what is happening internally on the serial monitor of the Arduino board. But as you know, that is a totally separate thing. But what is the purpose of this one? Yes, this is the purpose, means I have written the code. It is totally depend on the first character. If the first character is 0, or if the first character is 1, so in the previous one, LED is means LED changed its state either on or off, but here I replaced LED by the AC bulb. So what happened means I can visualize that bulb either on and off. So you can observe from there. So see here, just observe all of you on the board, bulb, AC bulb. So what is happening? So very first I am supplying, very first character is the 0. Okay, yes, now I am just changing that one. Instead of 0, now I am giving the 1. Now just observe what happens. So that is off, means that bulb is off. Again, I am giving 0, so here it will change the states of that bulb. It is taking some time because means I am not working in the intranet. Okay, actually it is totally working on the internet, means I can control this bulb, state of this bulb on or off. I can change from anywhere from my mobile or from my laptop, etc. That's why I have shown you, means such devices, Node MCU with relay with that bulb. That is the separate unit that is installed into my room. And one more important points, what one more important points, just I am repeating that one. Okay, means what, that Node MCU must be connected to your Wi-Fi. Okay, so that Wi-Fi means that is connected to my tablet. Okay, so it is taking the net from the tablet and not my mobile. So that why I have designed this one, so that from going outside from my building, means on the road or anywhere going to different colony, I can control this bulb. Okay, so but today I am not able to show you that one because I think there might be some limitation on the test.mosquito.org. That's why today it is not showing, but just 1.5 hours before I tried so many times, it was happening. So tomorrow I will again check and show you that one, how to control the same thing using the what mobile, means in the mobile I have the my MQTT app, so already I tested that one. So in this time just you can enjoy, means how to control this one from my laptop. But once again, my laptop is different things, and those system Node MCU, relay and bulb, that is the different things. So once again, and on this first terminal you are getting that message, as you know, Mr. Node MCU is publishing information hello what with number every 1 second. That's why you are getting that one. But from the another terminal, this is what publisher, this is the subscriber, and this is the publisher. So here instead of 0 now, okay, what happens? So I'm changing the message because there is no meaning of hello from the command. So here just I'm taking 0 or 1. So what happens? So just to wait. Now I'm supplying the 1. So in case of 1, now you can observe the state of the that bulb. Yes, fine. So because the means I have involved the relay, so there is just opposite logic, guys. Okay, in case of the relay video, means you can understand the better. But in this time, just remember this one. Just the opposite concept is here. Once again, if I supply the 0, what happens? Means that bulb state will be changed. So here from off to on. So I have to wait. So just wait, and you can observe the state of that bulb. So once again, yes, that is on. So for turning off the bulb, what I have to pass 1. So this is the logic in the Arduino board, Arduino program, means it is checking the first character, very first character, whether it is 1 or not. So accordingly, it is changing the state. So only important point is what, means I have attached the relay to that Node MCU, and means that is done. Okay, so once again, so here I am supplying the 1, what happens? So that is off. So I observe, means I hope if you have any difficulty here, first you should visualize my previous MQTT related videos. Only then you can involve such concepts here. Okay, okay, fine. So this is done. So thank you for visiting this one, and for your information, guys, means already I am taking the classes for some USC students. So means on the C++ topic. So if anyone wants to start learning from the scratch from the beginning, so you can enjoy that one freely. So means time to time, just I'm uploading the C++ video also. So thank you for visiting this one. But let me try whether that is happening or not. Okay, so already it is okay, fine. So next time I will make and show you that one, means how to control this of the mobile from anywhere. Okay, fine. Thank you. Meeting you in the next video. Bye.